Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to bring you a product I just picked up. I've dealt with these in the past and I think they're a great item to have, especially if you work on your own vehicle. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run. So let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up for the car. So I just got this new scan tool. If you're not aware what these are, they're pretty basic devices. They plug into your OBD2 and they'll help you take off error codes, reset a lot of things on your computer. Before these things were invented, you'd have to go to the dealer to have a check engine light turned off, all that kind of stuff. I actually had to a long time ago. But now they have nice tools like this, and this is a nice one. Has a big touchscreen, all full color. They give you everything you need here to plug it in under your dash, and then also give you the charging cable down here so you can charge it up. I always recommend having one of these because if you're doing any kind of wiring, anything like that, and you accidentally pull the wrong fuse out, you'll get a check engine light that comes on, and then dealer will charge you to remove it. So something like this, you just plug it in, check that out. It'll tell you what the code means, so you can know if it's something you have to take to the dealer, something major, or if it's something that you can just live with if you want to save some money. So this is a nice one. Like I said, I've had smaller ones, but this is a nice big touchscreen. Really easy to use. You just touch what make of car you have and go through the sequence. It's step by step. It walks you right through it. So if you have a check engine light on, this will tell you why it's on, and you can also clear it. Now, you don't want to just be clearing codes all the time, if there's something really wrong, but this reader will tell you exactly what it is. So then you can decipher, I want to go to the dealer and spend $120 for them to tell me that and then get it fixed. Sometimes you have to go to the dealer or a mechanic to get it fixed, but at least this tool, it'll explain what it is. You can reset your oil life with this, your tire pressures. This one actually does a lot more than the small little handheld ones do. But it's really straightforward. Like I said, you just go through it. There are instructions, but it's pretty basic. Once you plug it in, it's step by step. It tells you if it's diagnostics or oil life reset, tire pressure reset, all that kind of stuff. If you change your brakes, you can reset all that information in here as well. It's very useful. And like I said, this is a little bit more user-friendly because it is a touchscreen. It is a nice big display. Sorry about the glare there. But I'm just kind of going through it, checking it out. I don't have any check engine lights or nothing on. But it'll tell you everything you need to know. Step by step. Like I said, the best part is that it is touchscreen. Some of the cheaper models, it's you have to use little arrows to go down. It's kind of a little frustrating. But this one's basic and super quick to respond to your touch. And you go back to the menu. And I like how it has the buttons on the side too, the basic functions. The back button, the OK, and the arrows. So like I said, if you have a check engine light on, even one time, this would be cheaper picking one of these up than it is going to the dealer. Because they'll charge you over $100 just to remove it and then tell you what was wrong with it. Where these little scan tools can do all that information. And like I said, it doesn't replace a mechanic, of course, but at least it'll tell you what's wrong. Because a lot of people get check engine lights and you don't even know what it means. And a dealer will tell you, but if you can do this yourself, then you'll know, if it's a major problem, if it's something like your car's running lean, anything like that, then you should take it in. But if it's something basic, like say it's a airbag sensor that's faulty, then you can decipher if you want to take it in and pay the money to have it fixed, or at least you'll know exactly what it is, which is what I like. I like just at least knowing, because if you're out of warranty, then you can make the call if you want to pay the money to have it fixed, but at least you'll know. So if you're interested in getting a scan tool, and I think, like I said, anybody should, especially when you're out of warranty. If you're in warranty, a check engine light comes on. If it's not something that you messed around with, they'll fix it free of charge. But once you're out of warranty, it is good to have an idea you know, what's going on with your car. So again, check the link in the description. I have a link for this one. It's a real nice one. I've used a handful of these over the years, and this is probably the easiest one to use because it does have that big touch screen. It is a nice size, so you can actually read it. Some of them are so small it's hard to even read what it's saying. So again, I just want to share that with you guys. If you like tinkering with your car, it's always good to have one handy. I've pulled a airbag fuse before by mistake, and the light will never come off if you even pull it when the car's off. It'll know, and it'll store it. So I had to pay $100 to have a dealer remove it before I got these scan tools. So just word of advice, I would definitely keep one in your car. You know, it's a great tool to have. So I hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.